Microsoft's long-awaited Windows Recall feature has faced yet another delay. Initially set to launch in June, this controversial AI-powered tool has been pushed back again, now slated for preview in December. But why so many delays? Today, we'll dive into what Windows Recall is, the reasons behind its repeated postponements, and what this means for Microsoft's Copilot PCs. Let's break down the story and what to expect next. Before we dive in, 99% of you watching aren't subscribed. If you want regular updates, please hit that subscribe button and help us grow. Thanks! What is Windows Recall? Windows Recall is an AI-based feature designed to create an accessible timeline of screenshots from your PC activities, helping users quickly retrieve information or revisit specific moments. Imagine looking back on everything you've done on your PC, a tool many could find useful for productivity. But this level of visibility into user activity has raised concerns, making Microsoft's promise of top-notch security essential. Initially intended to roll out in June with Copilot PCs, Windows Recall has been delayed multiple times as Microsoft works on ensuring a safe experience. The security challenges and repeated delays. Since June, security concerns have been a major roadblock for Windows Recall. Originally, Microsoft halted its release due to vulnerabilities in how it stored data locally. Security experts were quick to point out that the feature's data needed stronger encryption to prevent unauthorized access. Fast forward to today, Microsoft has postponed the feature again, with spokesperson Brandon LeBlanc emphasizing their commitment to a secure and trusted experience for Windows Recall. In response, the company has overhauled security, making Recall an opt-in feature that's fully uninstallable. Only authenticated users can now access the Recall database through Windows Hello, ensuring that data remains protected. Privacy concerns and opt-in requirement. Privacy concerns have also been central to Recall's delays. As Recall screenshots nearly everything on a Copilot PC, the potential for sensitive data being stored and accessed raised red flags. To address this, Microsoft made Recall an opt-in feature, meaning users can choose whether to enable it. For those who opt in, Recall now includes filters to exclude apps, websites, and sensitive information, making it a more secure and customizable experience. This privacy-first approach reflects Microsoft's attempt to balance user control with Recall's functionality. A glance at the latest timeline and expectations. According to Microsoft's latest statement, Windows Recall is now expected to be ready for public preview in December. However, it's not likely we'll see a full release to all users until 2025. Initially, Microsoft planned to launch Recall exclusively for Snapdragon X devices in November, but this has shifted. It's unclear if other platforms like AMD and Intel's Copilot PCs will receive Recall access at the same time, or if they'll need to wait until a broader rollout. Addressing rumors and speculation. Adding to the confusion around Recall's delay, there's been a surge of rumors and misunderstandings about it being secretly installed on PCs running Windows 11, version 24H2. Microsoft addressed this directly, stating that Recall isn't being automatically installed. It's opt-in only. They've acknowledged, however, that certain bugs have surfaced, potentially making it appear otherwise on some devices. In reality, Recall will remain an option exclusive to Copilot PCs for now, not appearing on standard PCs without explicit user activation. So, where does this leave us? Windows Recall, with its potential for powerful productivity, continues to be delayed as Microsoft grapples with security and privacy concerns. While the preview for insiders is expected in December, it's likely that we won't see a full release until sometime in 2025. For those waiting on Recall, this delay may be disappointing, but it also reflects Microsoft's commitment to delivering a secure, customizable experience. Keep an eye out for future updates, and we'll be here to share the latest as Recall gets closer to reality. Thanks for tuning in. Let us know in the comments if you're planning to opt into Windows Recall once it's released, or if the privacy concerns make you think twice.